Hey guys, welcome back to Chaos Core Tech. My name's Garrett, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, as you can see. Also, this video is sponsored by Dell. If you didn't watch our previous one, I will put a link up in the corner where we talk about this computer. So this is video number 2, and we will be using this computer in today's video. So over the course of the channel, if you guys have been with us for a long time, you know that we've tried out a lot of different ways of 3D modeling, because that's kind of what we do here. But there's one that we have never tried out that's been fairly popular, and that is VR. And the reason we haven't, aside from VR being very expensive and us just not having the money to do that, is we didn't have a computer that could even handle it. So that's where Dell comes in. They sent us this machine, and I will put the specs up on the screen. They're also in the last video. But we are going to be using this to do some VR sculpting. Now, there's a lot of VR applications out there for sculpting, and I'm pretty new to VR in general, not to mention just the sculpting is going to be different in VR than using a mouse or a pen tablet. So we did some research, and it seemed like people were generally recommending Adobe Medium. So that's what we ended up using. I have a Valve Index on my head right now, and so we're using Revive to use Oculus apps, because Adobe Medium is Oculus only. And I thought for a long time what I was going to create. I knew that hard surface modeling would be pretty difficult in this, so I wanted to pick something pretty organic. And I landed on Cthulhu because lots of tentacles, big monster, could be fun because I think I can blow it up and make it all big. So without further ado, let's just jump in and see what we can do. Okay, well that was an experience. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments. Sculpting in VR is very interesting. I actually think these controllers were a little bit counterintuitive. It's interesting because the Valve Index controllers have finger sensitivity grips down here, so it can track each individual finger and whether I'm touching it or not. But when you're actually sculpting, since this program was made for the Oculus, I think the Oculus controllers just have a button down there. So if I put fingers on this, it triggers that button, and that's how you move the object around. So I kind of had to sculpt with my hands open, which was kind of weird, but I got used to it after a second. Other than that, I think with a few more tools, this program would be amazing. Like I would love some detail brushes in there. Something that I could, you know, if you're used to ZBrush, like the Dam Standard or a pinch brush or something like that, that I could get in and do some more fine details. But the move brushes are really, really interesting because, I mean, you have your hand and your wrist at your full disposal. So I can grab something and just twirl it, you know? It's like, that's very hard to do with a mouse or anything on a 2D screen, you know? But like the tentacles, for example, on Cthulhu, it was really easy because I could just pull it out like a tentacle, which is really cool. And it's very cool to be able to blow something up to a huge size and actually stand there and look at it and mess with the lighting and stuff in there. So it was really cool. If you guys have used any other VR sculpting programs and you think they're pretty cool, let me know what they are down in the comments and I'll try them out because this was pretty fun. Well, this was super fun. Once again, huge thank you to Dell for sponsoring this video. If you want to learn more about Dell Precision and NVIDIA RTX, I will put links down in the description. So that's going to be it for this video, and until next time, keep creating.